drowning in to-dos? You're not alone. Ever feel like you're drowning in a sea of to-dos? You're juggling a million things, deadlines loom, and your brain feels fried. Believe me, I've been there.
As entrepreneurs, we're passionate about our businesses, but that passion can lead to overwhelm if we don't have systems in place. Poor task management is a productivity killer. It leads to missed deadlines, decreased efficiency, and sky-high stress levels. We've all been guilty of scribbling notes on sticky notes, relying on mental lists that we inevitably forget, or getting lost in a maze of digital tools. But what if I told you there's a better way? A way to reclaim your time, boost your productivity, and finally feel in control of your schedule. Keep reading, because I'm about to share my secret weapon, AI to the rescue, my aha moment. I hit my breaking point a few months ago. My to-do list was overflowing, I was missing appointments, and I felt completely underwater. Something had to change.
That's when I discovered the power of AI for task management. I started experimenting with ChatGPT, and let me tell you, it was a game changer. This AI-powered tool is like having a personal assistant who can organize your thoughts, prioritize your tasks, and even automate repetitive work.
I knew I had to create a system to harness its full potential. That's how the ChatGPT Playbook was born. Introducing the ChatGPT Playbook, your secret weapon. The ChatGPT Playbook is a simple yet powerful system for using AI to conquer your to-do list and supercharge your productivity. It's all about leveraging the power of ChatGPT prompts to break down tasks, prioritize effectively, and automate like a pro. Think of it as your secret weapon against overwhelm.
This playbook is designed to help you gain clarity, identify your most important tasks, and eliminate distractions. Prioritize effectively. Focus on what truly moves the needle in your business. Automate the boring stuff. Free up your time and mental energy for creative work.
Taming the chaos, how it works. The magic of the ChatGPT Playbook lies in its simplicity.
Here's how it works.
First, brain dump. Start by dumping all your tasks, ideas, and to-dos into ChatGPT. Don't hold back.
Next, categorize and prioritize. Use specific prompts to categorize tasks by project, urgency, and importance. ChatGPT can even help you create a prioritized to-do list based on your criteria.
Then break it down. Large tasks can feel overwhelming. Use prompts to break them down into smaller, more manageable steps.
Finally, automate and delegate. Identify tasks that can be automated or delegated. ChatGPT can even help you draft emails or create templates for recurring tasks.
For example, you can use a prompt like, I need to create a social media content calendar for the next month. Can you help me outline the steps and suggest content ideas? Your action plan from overwhelm to on top. Ready to ditch the overwhelm and step into a world of effortless productivity?
Here's your action plan.
Embrace the power of AI. Don't be intimidated by technology. ChatGPT is surprisingly user-friendly and can be your secret weapon for success.
Start experimenting with prompts. The more you use ChatGPT, the better you'll understand its capabilities and how to tailor it to your needs.
Join me for a live session. I'm doing a talk about the ChatGPT Management Playbook.
Don't let another day slip away feeling stressed and overwhelmed. Take control of your time, unlock your productivity, and achieve your goals with the power of AI.